Hey, what's up guys, Jaeky here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing something a little bit different. So GravaStar reached out to me asking if I wanted to review a Bluetooth speaker, and at first I was going to say no since I usually just review peripherals, but I took a look at their website and I was really blown away by their unique designs and their craftsmanship. I mean, look at this. This is their full range of Bluetooth speakers and each one is so unique and they look amazing. I'll leave a link to the GravaStar website in the description below if you want to check out their full range of products. But if you just look at them, like, they don't even look like Bluetooth speakers. Like, it legit looks like something you would just put in your room to pretty much show off. So it really interested me and that's why I agreed to review it. But anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Mars Pro in black, which is one of the more simple designs and also one of the more affordable ones as well. The Mars Pro is currently retailing for $200. Going over the technical specs really quick, the speaker uses Bluetooth 5.0 with a 2000 milliamp hour battery, which is rated for 15 hours of battery life. The unboxing was pretty straightforward. Pulling the Mars Pro out of the box, I was actually pretty surprised at how heavy it is. Apparently it's built with zinc alloy, so the build quality is really solid and most of the body of the speaker is metal and cool to the touch, which makes it feel really solid. In the box, you also get a USB-C cable for charging and a 3.5mm aux cable. You also get a simple quick start guide with a legend for all of the buttons. Like I said before, the design of the speaker is really unique, as you can see, and this is just the basic design as well. There's so many other cool options that you can pick up, although they are more expensive as well. The feet on the bottom of the speaker can be extended and retracted, and this is what the speaker looks like with all of the feet extended. On the top of the speaker, you have a capacitive volume slider as well as 3 different buttons for the LEDs, power button, and Bluetooth button. The power button also acts as a pause play as well, and on the bottom of the speaker is the USB port. So as you can see, you can cycle between different LED modes. There's a solid, breathing, and reactive mode that you can use, and it's super easy to switch between modes just by either long pressing or tapping on the LED button. The capacitive volume slider works as intended, and you can also use the power button as a pause play function for the speaker as well. Now let's get into the sound test. Keep in mind that obviously it's not going to sound completely accurate as real life, since this is being recorded with my iPhone and you're going to listen to it through your own sound source, but you should be able to get a feel for the volume and whether or not there's any distortion with the sound test. So after hearing the sound test, my opinion on it is that the sound itself is crisp and the bass is punchy as well with little to no distortion, even on max volume. The only thing that might be a little bit disappointing for some people is the volume of the speaker itself. The speaker actually isn't very loud even on the max volume, so if you're somebody who likes to crank their music up and you're looking for a speaker that fills the room with sound, this probably isn't the best choice for you. However, if you're looking for a speaker with a unique design and something that catches people's attention, or even just a showpiece for your room, the GravaStar speakers are definitely worth looking into. And that's pretty much it, guys. Again, if you want to check out any of GravaStar's products, there will be a link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.